Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can copy any winning ad and use your brand, use your logo, and replicate that winning ad and create many unique variations to that winning ad. And let me show you exactly what I mean. So here's an ad that was doing pretty well on Meta, and you can see it's not that greatly designed, but we took it, we threw it in the Zuops copier tool, and this is a very powerful tool that can generate hundreds and hundreds of ad creatives at a time. Uh, but it has some powerful features in here. So what we did is we took this ad and we created a bunch of unique variations, and I mean some of these are absolutely insane. You can see that these are really, really good ads. And what's cool about this copier tool is you can just copy, throw an ad in here, click make it unique, click AI improve, and the AI will improve it. Or you can click concept mix and you can select 30 different concept ad ideas. So you can see the feature benefit, us versus them, checklist, myth busting, case study. There's 30 different concepts that you could choose from, and it'll create that concept of that ad. And that's super powerful because Facebook relies on diversity. And that's what they care about now. They want ads that target different types of people, and that is done using different concepts. So let me go ahead and just show you exactly how this tool works and how powerful it is to create winning ads. So let's first take a look at Grunz. This is a big spender on Meta. They run 890 different creatives, probably a lot more at a time, but they're testing tons and tons of different creatives. And if you sort by their impressions, high to low, you'll see their highest performing ad currently that's getting the most views and the most spend are these two ads right here. And they're static creatives, right? So let's take a look at their highest spend ad, which is this one right here. And it says, "We're so sorry. As many of you know, we've been busy planning our latest limited edition flavor." And then it's some offer, right? And it's all right. It's an all right ad. You can see they have two different formats, but we're going to make this better. So we're going to copy this ad and we're going to paste it directly into the ad copier. And see how easy it is to just copy and paste from the Facebook ads library. You don't even have to download or upload anything. But what we're going to do is we're going to click make it unique, and look, you could select up to 30 ads at a time, and this will finish 30 ads in a few minutes, like a minute or two. And no other tool generates this many ads that quickly. But I'm actually only going to do 10 because I think we're going to get our winner with 10. Or you know what, let's just do 15. And then we're going to click make it unique. So this is going to create 15 unique ad variations of this winning ad. So we'll click create 15 unique ads. But I also want different concepts of this ad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select concept mix, and then I'm going to select big promise, what's inside, reason why, problem agitation, and you can just keep going on, right? And so I got 11 concepts selected. Objection crusher, this is one of my favorite. Feature benefit, problem solution, and then let's go with one more savings money angle. So now I'm going to click create 15 concept ads. So now we're generating 15 concept ads as well as 15 make it unique. So while that's generating, we'll go ahead and wait, but this should finish up in about a minute or two. So that took about a minute and 45 seconds, but check this out. So look at all these different variations that we got of this ad. So this is our unique one, our original one. We have the original ad, and now we got our first we're sorry ad that's different. We got this one, which, wow, look at that. Has got some broccoli right there. This is great. We got this one, which has just a different layout, but it also moved the offer down below right here. And then we got some more, but let's see which one actually stands out a lot. Look at this one. They got them lined up. That's a good one. I like this one because it has less text. We're so sorry. As many of you know, we've been busy. Get up to perfect. I like this one. So you can see the different types of concepts it came up with, and they're completely unique. I didn't tell it to do anything. This just generated unique concept ideas. So now, oh, that just finished too. So this one just finished, and this is absolute different concepts. So this took this ad right here, and let's see. So we got the problem solution. So it says GLP-1 side effects got you feeling stuck. And then it says Grun's prebiotic. Great. Oh, that's cool. And then we got this one. Oh, I like this one. Okay, this is the offer deal one. It's usually just straight offer. So it took the offer from this ad. Boom. And then we got this one, the social proof. Look at that. Holding Grun's. Looks great. These people look real too. Awesome. And then we got all of these different concepts to look at and choose from and run these as ads on Meta. And now we have all this diversity. So this is extremely awesome. If you own a e-commerce brand, I love the negative hook one. Look at this one. Stop ignoring your gut. This is probably their next winner, right? You're welcome, Grunts. But that is how you use the Make It Unique and the concept mix tool, which are my favorite tools, I think, on Zuops. Now, let's say you own a service-based industry and you want to upload your logo, you want to change the ad. We're going to take a look at A1 Garage Door Service, and one of the highest performing ads, if you scroll down, is this one right here, the $0 down, get a new garage door for $0 down. So I really like this ad, so I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy the image, and I'm going to go back to our copier tool and then click paste from clipboard. And now what you want to do is you want to go to your website or wherever you have your logo, and you want to right click, copy image. Don't even have to download it. And then you could just paste your image right there inside the ad copier. And now what it's going to do is it's going to take this logo and replace it right here. So let's say you like this ad. You don't want to change anything about it. You don't want to give any instructions. You can actually just select, let's say, like 2 ads, and then we can just replicate this with this logo. So I'm going to click that, and now I'm just going to wait. But now, let's say you want to create unique variations. You're like, you know what, this is a good ad, but I want unique variations. Let's select 10, click Make Unique, and then we're going to click 10 unique variations with this ad and this logo. And let's say you wanted to add a guy or products or anything like that. You can come to reference images, and you could upload a reference image, and you could say how you want to use this image in the ad. So, put this guy there or whatever. You can upload multiple reference images, and you could tell the copier how to use that in the ad or how to place it. So this is a powerful reference image option right here. But let's just create 10 unique ads. So I'm going to click that, click 10 create unique ads. And now we're going to come down here, and you'll see, boom, okay, there we go. So we took the original ad, and then we got the replacement with the logo, and it tried to do its best to make it look good, right? So it didn't, I don't know, this is not that bad, but because it didn't want to blend in. And this is, look, it gave you 2 different variations, but I like this one a little bit more. So this is great, actually, because it matches the coloring of the logo and this. But see, that's how I was able to copy the ad without many changes. So I didn't enable this Make It Unique. I didn't checkbox that. I didn't do anything else. I just uploaded the logo, and it replaced the logo inside of that. Now, on the second job, I clicked Make It Unique for 10 variations. So we're going to get completely unique, different designs than the original source ad. And now you can see, look at this, dude. This is pretty insane, okay? So it took the $0 down, but look, you got this. It added the coloring from the logo. That's not that bad. We got this. This one's a lot better. $0 down with the logo looking great. We got this looking great. Took the concept. And look at these. Just look at all these. So unique. It's so different. Okay, this one's kind of different. Very different. I would probably not run that one. But look, all complete, different, unique ads that look great. And so this is where you could download them, upload them, and test them. Because now you have different unique variations of this source ad that did super well for A1 Garage. Now, we also have another feature called WTF ads, and this is a really cool feature, but you got to be careful with it. So I'm only going to do 5 of them. But WTF ads are basically ads that absolutely stop you in the moment and you cannot look away. Like, you're going to look at the ad and the person that's scrolling on Facebook will not be able to look away. They're going to stop and scroll. So that's what a WTF ad is. And if you want to see what it says about it, you can hover over this. It says generates absolutely wild pattern breaking ads no normal agency would dare to ship. Okay, so surreal scenes, bizarre things, unhinged visual hooks. It's basically like what you're like scrolling on Facebook. You're like, what the f is this? Right? That's exactly what that's gonna do for someone. And what's crazy is it's been converting. It's a good ad to throw in a bunch of different ads, right? So we'll go ahead and check that ad out. Check those WTF ads out, and there we go. So it generated 5 ads real quick, but let's take a look at it. Wow. So this is crazy. Like, it's just, look at this one. Your garage is hungry. $0 down, so feed the door. So it's just crazy ads. Look at this. What is going on here? So you got to really, like, here's a cool one. Rate alerts, breaking news, $0 down, low monthly payments, swiftly garage door repair, call now. So this is funny, right? People are gonna look at it and be like, what the heck? So this is something to test, but also for the WTF one, you really have to like run 30 different ads at once to actually get the full effect of it, because it's just randomized wild ads. Now I'm going to do one more brand, and the brand that I'm going to show you guys is another really big brand called Everyday Dose. They're an ecom brand, but what we're going to do is we're going to take one of their higher converting static ads, and we're going to right click and copy this image, and we're just going to throw it in the ad copier. And what I'm going to do is click make it unique, and I'm going to throw in 20. I'm going to generate 20 different ads. But I'm also going to do the AI improve. So this is going to use AI to strengthen the CTA, strengthen a bunch of different things inside the ad, add social proof. It just tries to use AI to make the ad better. So let's see how that performs while we're waiting for 20 different ads. And what's cool is all these ads are generating on the back end, on the server at the same time. So they usually finish about the same time. So that took about 1 minute and 30 seconds, but check this out. So this is the original ad right here, which isn't even high quality, right? But it's still got a really good idea of all of the branding and everything. And you can see that it copied the somewhat similar design, but it actually made it super unique, and it changed the headline in a lot of these to try and improve the performance of it. So this is great because we get all these different concept ideas that we could test out. We could throw it in there. I really like this one a lot. I like that one. It's different from this one. And let's see this one. So this one's very more, just more basic. And then we got this one. This is super nice. It is like the same type of style of this one, but it's its own different like design, right? So this is super cool. And what's cool is, like, let's say you're using the ad copier tool and you want to keep coming up with designs, or you're like, whoa, this is a cool design, let's redo it. You just click this retry button right here. It'll throw that in there, and then you can just, make custom instructions right here. Tell it, hey, I want to do this, I want to add that. And you can add any other custom instructions you want and generate another 20 ads, which is so powerful. And another cool thing you could do actually inside of Zuops is use this ad performance predictor, where you can actually just upload the ad right into here. And I just clicked paste from clipboard because I had it in my clipboard. I copied it from the ad copier. And it's now going to analyze the ad and tell me how much money really, or what ROAS this ad is going to deliver me. And it bases this on a bunch of different data points. the design, the call to action, the offer, basically what the industry is seeing for the potential ROAS on that. And what's cool is you can actually go to the copier and just click this button, which is score at end, which will calculate the score of the ad. Or you can go to the ad performance predictor under AI under AI tools, and you can actually just see what it is. So look what this gets. So this ad right here, as you can see, got an 81 out of 100, which is not bad. And it says our likely cost per acquisition cost is $14 for this ad, which is super impressive, right? And it says an expected ROAS is 2.6, optimistic 3.6 ROAS, or conservative 1.8x ROAS. And this is probably because it has a really good offer and it has a really good design on that specific ad. But it tells you the reasoning why it came up with this. It shows you the CPA and ROAS estimates based on live benchmark scores. So this is a very accurate prediction of how the ad is going to deliver. And it's been extremely accurate. Like I should say 90% of the time it's correct. So this is a great tool to see what your potential ROAS or cost per lead will be. And you can also come into the ad library. We have over 1,400 different ads of e-commerce, home services, tons of different industries. You can just click on an ad, see the cost per lead or the cost per ROAS, cost per acquisition, and you can just copy it. You can click add copier right here, and boom, just copy that ad, throw your logo on it, and you're set. And that's how easy it is to use it in the ad copier inside of Zuops. Now, one thing I want to talk about before I end the video, if you want to improve the consistency, like as you can see right here, it generated this. This is not the product, right? What you need to do is you need to upload this product right here into a reference image right here to give it more consistency. So if you add your logo, you add the reference images right here, and then you use the copier tool, it's going to improve the consistency of the ad, right? So, because AI will get it wrong sometimes. For example, you can see the everyday dose, the logo isn't the same, but it did get the logo correct right here, but you could see right here, it did not add the logo. So to get the logo correct, every single time we would add the logo right here, and it would get the logo correct every single time inside the ad. So I just want to make that clear before you test it out and you're like, oh, well, it's not using the logo, it's not using my packaging, and it's just not right. Like, you see how this used its own packaging and it didn't take this packaging right here. So to just improve that, you would just upload this actual packaging, right, as a reference image, and it will always include that image in there. So I hope this is useful to you. That this shows you can copy any winning static ad and absolutely just generate so many variations, so many concepts in this ad copier tool using Zuops. And it also does video ads, and I will make another video on how it copies video ads and makes winning video ads using the ad copier. But in this video, I'm just showing you how to do statics, and you'll have to wait to the next video to see the ad copier with the video ads. So thank you. Hope you like this video, and go create some winning winning static ads. Bye.